Welcome back to our audiobook channel, Best Books Club, bringing you a summary of the captivating historical fiction novel, Shogun, written by James Clavell. So, let's dive into the epic tale set in feudal Japan during the 17th century. Shogun introduces us to John Blackthorne, an English navigator whose ship, the Erasmus, gets caught in a storm and is shipwrecked off the coast of Japan. Blackthorne and his crew are captured by the samurai lord, Toranaga. Toranaga recognizes Blackthorne's potential as a valuable foreigner. He decides to keep him alive, hoping to use his knowledge of Western technology and politics to gain an advantage in the power struggle for the title of Shogun, the supreme military leader of Japan. Blackthorne finds himself caught in the middle of a complex web of political intrigue, as different factions vie for control. He must navigate the treacherous waters of feudal Japan, forming unlikely alliances and facing numerous challenges along the way. As Blackthorne immerses himself in Japanese culture, he learns the ways of the samurai, adopts their customs, and even falls in love with a beautiful Japanese woman, Mariko. Their forbidden love adds an extra layer of tension to the already volatile political landscape. The story unfolds with thrilling battles, espionage, strategic maneuvering, and internal conflicts within the factions. Blackthorne's knowledge and skills from the West become crucial in the power struggle, making him a valuable asset to Toranaga. However, Blackthorne soon realizes that his loyalty to Toranaga comes into conflict with his own desires and a sense of duty towards his fellow crew members. He faces a difficult choice between his newfound love for Japan and his loyalty to his own people. The story reaches its climax as the power struggle intensifies, leading to a final confrontation between Toranaga and his rivals. Blackthorne's fate becomes intertwined with the destiny of Japan itself. In the end, Blackthorne emerges as a changed man, transformed by his experiences in feudal Japan. He gains a deeper understanding of honor, loyalty, and the complexities of human nature. And that wraps up our summary of James Clavell's Shogun. We hope this glimpse into the captivating world of feudal Japan has piqued your interest. Remember, there's so much more to discover in the original novel. Thank you for joining, and be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Audiobook channel, Best Books Club, for more exciting audiobook summaries.